Coca-Cola is not just a soda, it's a slow, silent poison. In January 2023, a report from Atlanta revealed that bottles distributed in California, Texas, and New York contained bisphenol A, BPA, a chemical directly linked to cancer and hormonal disorders. Coca-Cola was aware of these alarming levels, but chose silence while millions kept consuming. And their light versions? In April of the same year, a study in Boston confirmed they contain artificial sweeteners tied to brain damage and heart failure. This is no coincidence. They invest millions to hide these truths, while every sip harms your body in irreversible ways. Coca-Cola is not a drink. It's a chemical cocktail designed to hook you, make you sick, and profit off your health. You trust them, but they count on you never questioning